is no good now. Okay, we have a service mode unbalanced spin today. Oh my god! Waterlock! Oh my god! That was sick! That was very sick! Take number 2. Here we go again. Oh my god, that was scary. Huge setback! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Ladies and gentlemen, take 3. Oh dear. Oh. Deep clean. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here for next Waterlock. Okay, everywhere is wet. I hope this is worth it. Oh my god, that was enough for today. Look, the ground is wet. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was enough for today. I'm thinking that I'm gonna upload another video, but later. And this washing machine is a hell. Wee! Goodbye, everybody.